In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can get this giveaway easily and totally free. So it's a 200k giveaway for all user. The how much people, how many people will be join in this giveaway. All the people get this money randomly distribution way. So you can do that and you can 100% get money if this platform would be trusted. So I'm hoping this platform is trusted, and it's a web3 games and something like the studio use something is gaming and entertainment venture type of site. Web3 because it's kind of cryptocurrency thing. I have never seen cryptocurrency thing is never seen that those are doing a scam, and therefore I will put my offer link on my I'm showing you on my channel. So here I will put my okay, I have sent that. So you just click on there and go your extensions has browser. Those browser has extension, you need to go there, and here you need putting your a username and putting email, whatever email you have, and here you need to put your password. So I'm randomly putting password and click agree and sign up. Click on there, and MetaMask you need to add MetaMask extension. So as you know, I already show you how you can add a MetaMask extension on your Chrome browser. If you don't know that, you can see my previous video. So here I need to just click on MetaMask. Okay, I have do that, and here you need to put your MetaMask password. I'm doing that my one way, so it's incorrect. I don't know what's happened with that. I'm just putting my one way. It's okay. I'm trying to other browser. So here we see another browser I have on my phone, and you need to just put here your username, and here your email, and here is your password that you want to put here, and click on sign up, and username is already taken, so I'm just trying to another way, and email already exists. Okay, because of I have tried before this email, therefore it's don't would be, and okay to participate to referral consumption sign up login. Okay, and here is a referral link, and you need to click on MetaMask. So I'm click on my MetaMask account that you add on your browser, Chrome browser extension way, and I have said again and again, if you cannot add MetaMask on your browser, I'm hoping you can do that. Those are using right now PC, it's easy to add, extension already, and those are using right now mobile, you can easily add extension, any extension app via your browser, Q browser, Yandex browser, any extension browser you can get it easily from Play Store. So I need to just do that. I'm opening my browser, and here I need to do click on desktop mode. I do that already, and I need to click on my MetaMask account, and here again desktop. I'm trying to log in my MetaMask. Okay, that's work right now. I'm just trying to log in my MetaMask account. Yeah, this is work. This has been work. I click on next, connect, connecting with this website, and okay, that's pretty easy. So I need to go this website again and mint now to claim reward mint free NFT. If you click, if you get this NFT, you will get something in future when they are launch their token, their valuable rocket token. You can get from a substantial amount money uh, through their token. So I'm click on mint now, and it's something loading. You are seeing on my screen right now. So due to network resistant text is okay. What's the fucking problem? I don't know. Okay, I'm just click on there, and okay, I'm trying to, okay, it's a server problem. Therefore as you know, it's a crowd offer, crazy offer. Therefore a lot of people trying to do that transactions and successfully. You need to try again and again because of its free thing. All of people doing that same times. Therefore its a server is something busy, and you need to try again and again, because getting something is something you need to do hard, and you need to uh, get pain. So therefore I will say to you, you need to keeping patient, and you need to keeping consistency for work. So you just when you get this NFT, you will get something in the future from this site, from this company. So transactions and successfully, I need to go my MetaMask, click on there for accepting my transaction, and here is a, oh, very lengthy 50%. I don't have enough MetaMask. 10 second. That's pretty sad news. So if you have, you can do that. So I don't know what the heck here. So 44 cent is not expensive. You just cost this type of amount, and it's a kind of invest for 45, 48 cent, 44 cent. If you spend this money, you get a lot of amount money from the site. So I have right now, I haven't enough money. I cannot show you how you can do that. Just click on when you have this type of amount. You need to just click on confirm when you have Ethereum enough on your account. You just click on confirm, as it's a it has been done by that time. So and here your NFT would be minute. So yeah, that's easy to do, straightforward. I'm hoping you can do that.